I got y'all right here on the daily, and as y'all can see, it is following Bitcoin's path. So it's going to be the same diagnosis I just gave Bitcoin. So we come up here, we might get a little reverse or whatnot, but regardless of the fact, we should come up here and still hit the 50 EMA at the very least, and they'll be around 31, I say 31.70 to keep it simple. But it's a possibility we could get rejected because we still have these candles down here. So keep 1775, 1770, that general range in your mind, because that's where it's going if we get rejected by the 50 EMA. We're not clear until we make a close and an opening above this 100 EMA right here. And then we know for a fact it's going to continue up. Otherwise, it could even, continue on and hit this 100, right? And then get rejected and come back down here. Then, like I said before in my previous video, another thing that bothers me about ETH, the fact that it hasn't hit the 200 EMA though. See, Bitcoin hit the 200 EMA. That's why I said, well, that one is kind of, it could go either way, because it could count that 200 EMA and continue its way up, or it can still just come down and recover the candlesticks. And this right here hasn't hit the 200 EMA, and it haven't recovered the candlesticks. So it's almost like it has to drop. But, don't take my word on it. It could do whatever it feel like doing. But generally speaking, like I said, y'all know the low. I just gave it 1770 general range. Otherwise, if we continue up, our next target will be right here to this next gap. That'll be around 34.25. We got to get a little spike over there. And then we'll see from there and see what it do. Because that's around the 100 EMA. We're going to see if we get rejected, or we're going to close and then, continue our way on up. Though we will see that very soon, because this is a new daily chart. So it could easily just come back and recover these candles, you know what I'm saying? And they'll be perfectly hitting the 20 EMA on the daily, and then we'll continue our way up. And that's what I'm expecting, at least, And then we'll definitely get a spike above the 100, come back down, bounce off the 50, go back up, boom, then we bounce off the 100, and then we should just take flight, and then eventually end up back where we were, back to all-time highs. Clearly, it's been tested once, twice. So this run, this is a few other coins that have tested at all-time high twice already, along with Bitcoin, obviously. And then we'll just continue our way up. Literally, this will basically be the low if we don't get rejected, because it's still could come down, hit this 200 EMA. Just keep that in your mind now. Don't forget. But anyways, anything I just said is not financial advice at all. Y'all grow and y'all make your own decisions, but like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.